Going to try unboxing and setting up this new square or rectangular StarLink for AV King. It's just arrived. This is one of the promotional products that's got a discounted cost on special this month in Australia. I'll just throw some of this packaging away here. So we've got our base. Let's put that on this so we don't scratch the car. So we don't scratch the car much. Let's go with that. Alrighty. Sorry for doing this one-handed. The person that normally helps with this is on holidays this month, so try that for the base. So we've got the router here, and we've got the long lead there. Alrighty, so that part of it's all set up now. We'll need to plug this in, and we'll need to plug this in. This looks like it goes in this way. This new model doesn't come pre-plugged, the old one did, so this takes seconds longer than it used to. Alrighty, so we should be up and running now. There's a light there that shows that's getting power. The dish hasn't activated yet. Normally that takes 2 or 3 minutes. That's the speed we got with the regular 3G, 4G in the area. Just take the 4G off this one, just so we're not confusing things. And Wi-Fi. We've got StarLink there now. Alright, so that's connected. And we've got the StarLink app already on this iPad. Alright, so it has just moved. It's finding its satellite now. So hopefully we'll be able to get internet in just a couple of minutes. Nice little dance that it's doing there. Wonder if it'll stop. Oh yeah, there we go. Looks like it's found a satellite. Alrighty, so that side of things is working. Wonder what we're up to here. So we'll say that we've done that part. So we do need to set this up. So it's being rented by being written by Tesla Taxi, and we'll make the password something tricky like Tesla 1234, and there we go. So as you can see, once you actually set the username and password for the network, you need to actually reconnect to that wireless network before you'll be able to use StarLink. And now hopefully the speed test will work. There we go, that's about roughly double the speed we're getting off the 4G in this area. We're in Mount Cotton in Brisbane, so it's around about 40 k's from the city. And then the upload speed, pretty dismal there from this particular test. Let's have a look at the laptop. Alright, so connect to that wireless network. Okay, so we have this one connecting on Windows 10. It says it's connected, it says it's getting internet. Doesn't appear super fast, but the dish has just repositioned itself looking for a new satellite. Now it looks like it's locked on. So let's just run that one. So it's reasonably slowed down. So this satellite position probably isn't as strong as the last one that we had there. The upload speed is way faster though, it's about almost 10 times what we had before. So we'll try that again over on the iPad as well for the fun of it. Yep, so this satellite now is getting within range, so it's now getting 40 plus down. And the other one ended up with 5 up. And then this one's getting still reasonably slow upload speeds, but still not that dissimilar to what we had on the regular 4G. So teslataxi.com.au if you need to rent the StarLink. We are able to rent them anything from 48 hours and above and shipping anywhere in Australia. And we also have the website theavking.com.au where we are able to rent out either this new square or rectangular dish in the smaller packaging or the older style round dish as well if you want to try both units to see if either has a performance benefit to where you're based. teslataxi.com.au also if you do want to rent one of the Tesla cars themselves. Thank you.